Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Netflix. Your account cannot be used in this location error. Make sure that you see until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first method that you can do is to change country on your Netflix. So oftentimes by using a VPN, your server will be changed to the one from the country of your choice. So by using VPN, you will be able to access the content along with your account functioning normally. So in order to change the content on Netflix, you will need to download a VPN on your device. And in some countries, the Netflix content is quite limited, so a VPN comes in handy in those places. And the next what you can do is to disable a VPN. So if you have a VPN, so sometimes using a VPN could be the reason why you are seeing the location error. So if a particular content is not available in country server you're connected to, Netflix will show the location error. But if you have a Netflix account registered to a particular country and you are moving to a different region, VPN can help you avoid the location error too. And then there are several VPNs available in the market, so both paid and unpaid categories. So if you are using any of those, what you can do is just simply disable them if they're enabled when you watch in Netflix. And the next what you can do is to try and contact the Netflix support team. So if you're able to access Netflix without error of your account cannot be used in this location, so Netflix then can be issues or can fix the issues from the Netflix server side, or the issues can be from the Netflix server side. And many individuals have been using Netflix for a while, yet they face this issue. So you can contact Netflix support team regarding this matter. And as Netflix doesn't have contents, right, to stream the same content in all country, there can be issues or issue with few contents being unavailable. Even if you're traveling, your location will get changed and your Netflix streaming content will also differ according to your location. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.